govern your people with justice, and your afflicted ones with judgment. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. Justice shall flower in his days, in profound peace, till the moon be no more. May he rule from sea to sea, and from the river to the ends of the earth. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. The kings of Tarshish and the young shall offer gifts. The kings of Arabia and Seba shall bring tribute. All kings shall be in homies. All nations shall serve him. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. For he shall rescue the poor when he cries out, and the afflicted when he has no one to help him. He had pity for the lowly and the poor. The lips of the poor he shall save. Lord, every nation on